Car Culture is the most popular Hot Wheels premium series at the moment, and in front of us we have Auto Strasse. Let's talk about it. Alpine A110 is the first one of the set, a car that has been new in the mainlines in 2019. It didn't have any other premium releases, and it didn't have many releases overall. Not that popular as a model, but it does look good in this set. Nice colors combo, cool wheels. This is the list I enjoy, but again, it is not bad. We definitely have more interesting models to see in the case, and I can guess what you're waiting to see. BMW M3 is a casting that so far has only been seen in premium sets, and it is a very cool one. It looks so good in this flaming red color. The first release was the white version, and you know me and my white addiction of Hot Wheels. Simple color, no other decals on it, graphics, just the pure color, with the same type of wheels as the Alpine, but being in silver, they definitely stand out better. Not to be confused with the RLC version, as they are different models. Until we will get a mainline release, if ever, we will have to be pleased with the premium versions. If you had to choose just one out of all versions released, only one, which color would you choose? Cause, well, I'm pretty sure you already know what I will choose. So, did we get a chase? Yes, we did, and I had to keep these cases coming from the same supplier, cause I did get other chases previously with other sets, so be sure to check those videos on my channel. The 1973 Volvo 142 GL, and this is a new casting for this set, and what a nice one it is. It has a lowered stance and it does look like a modified Mercedes in a way. Another simple color on it, nothing crazy, probably this is part of the licensing as well, so even if Hot Wheels wanted to add some crazy graphics on it, they were not allowed. This one might be another case where the chase actually looks better than the regular one, but I do enjoy both of them. The same type of rims, although they look better on the regular with the silver choice. It will look even better if you can hit that like button, it will help me a lot, even more than this chase does. Thank you. We were speaking about the Mercedes previously, well, here it is. They're both from the same era, but I'm not sure who was inspired by who. It has also been released only in premium sets, and it is one that it will probably never see a mainline release. These Mercedes were built to last back in the days, they would not break, not get faulty, so much that it was almost useless to build spare parts for them. It's definitely a classic, and I am happy we get it in another Car Culture set. The last one of the set is one that doesn't really get in line with all the other choices, but personally I'm happy with it. It is the first time we have this model in a premium set, but it has seen mainline releases, with a bit of a catch. There are two versions released in the mainlines with small differences, one of them being based on a concept version and the other one based on the product version. I'm not entirely sure, but I think the 2021 version is the production and the 2015 is the concept, thus making the premium based on the concept rather than the production version. I am not sure why they chose this. Maybe we can ask someone at Mattel, but in the end, again, I enjoy the casting, so I'm happy it is part of this set. But if you are also not sure, feel free to check this other Car Culture unboxing video, maybe it will help you with your decision. Enjoy collecting Hot Wheels cars and thank you for watching.